Go.
Okay. Hey guys, Jayninjacat here. You okay?
You
Okay.
want to try that again or go for it?
No, it's fine. Let's go. Just spit. Here, let's not include them having dinner. Okay, so for some reason, we think it would be fun if we used a Kiwi as a baseball. So I've got my friend. What should we call you? Just your real name? Yeah, I've got my friend Sai here. Hold on, we're filming. Man, crazy intro. I've got my friend Sai here to hit the ball. We did a little contest, see who could throw and hit that thing, and he won. It was very close. Very, very close. Okay, so we're gonna make our way into this huge pit.
I already fell.
I don't even know the purpose.
I already fell once.
Make you fall again.
Okay, let's just jump right now. Jack, your new shoes.
Whoa!
Your new shoes.
I don't even care.
Mom
Whoa.
probably would. Hey, Jack. Yeah. Let's hit in this muddy spot so if the Kiwi drops, it hits in the cushion.
Smart. Okay.
See, I get good grades, man. It just works.
Yeah, you got great. Okay, so later we're gonna probably add some slow-mo. Now that I've said it, we have to do it. So, do you think you can get from this angle behind me? An awesome front view. We're gonna be kind of close because this is kind of a one-shot thing. But like he said, we're doing it in the muddy, grassy area, so it's cushioned. Okay, let's do this.
Why am I scared?
Okay.
Underhand, remember.
Underhand. Oh yeah.
Run up the back. Jack, head guard. Alright, this is ready. Getting ready.
Oh jeez!
Oh my god.
That did not.
I think
Okay.
that went pretty well.
So did I.
Oh, the bat's
Oh,
covered. The bat's covered.
It's covered in it. Just so much. Ew. Ew. It's in my
I thought it
hair.
was going to stay intact if you ask me.
A huge thing just went boom right into my hair.
I think it started flying into
Is
my
it there?
hair on my back.
That was crazy.
No.
Oh man. That
Oh
was.
my gosh. That
that
was
was
even my full
successful.
swing.
Okay, so my dad is getting annoyed, so I'm going to wrap this up. So this was a very successful attempt.
Yes.
And we hope you guys liked it. Bye.